Hello everyone and welcome to the Go Here channel. Today I'm here to tell you a story of a mystic who knew exactly when he was going to die and even prepared his own grave. But if he prepared his own grave, who buried him? Look at these tombstones. 7 mystics once lived together in this place, but back then it didn't look anything like what you see today. The building and the garden as they are now didn't exist. This place was once deep in the mountains, far from the city and away from people. As time passed, the first of the 7 mystics passed away. The 6 remaining ones buried him. When the next one died, the 5 others buried him. But what about the last one? Stay with me and I tell you its interesting story. As time passed, the first of the 7 mystics passed away. The 6 remaining ones buried him. When the next one died, the 5 others buried him. And this cycle continued until only one remained. Knowing he was going to die soon, the last mystic went to the marketplace a day before his death and told the people, "Someone has died in this place. Come tomorrow morning and help me bury him." When the people arrived the next day, they found out that the person who had died was the very same man who had asked for help. He had none of his own passing. Around 250 years ago, Karim Khan Zand, the ruler of Iran at the time, placed tombstone on each of their grave. But no one knew their name and there were no inscriptions on the grave. They believed that when you do a good deed, you shouldn't seek recognition because you do it for the sake of God, not for fame. Over time, this place transformed into the beautiful structure you see today. Since the identities of the 7 mystics remain unknown, the site became known as Haft Tanan, which means 7 people or 7 men. Now let's explore the garden and the living space of these 7 mystics. After that, we'll visit the historical stone museum, which displays stones and carvings collected from various places. This is why the site is also called the Stone Museum. Stay with us, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Okay friends, that was Haft Tanan Garden and the Historical Stone Museum in Shiraz. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you like this video, you might also enjoy this tree, Vakil Bazaar, the historic Zinatul Mulk house, and the famous Horan Gate in Shiraz. Thanks for watching.